Hey, nonsense so cold on my pet. Would it be a walk at your pay? Into Bomodina Mowinimbre. You sick about no, I bet you say. Is it over a unikaki? And your kitchen cabinet to Bema. But I wouldn't be a real giant food. Last hour. Yeah. Last hour, I got you a Vienna. Why we were jeans pumping? Making sure I sack a gragu, go to cook. Now we're in the editor prepaid. Macaladin, you would deserve a chrome. Wouldn't it be a winning?
It's my friend, Max. Wow. How are you? Anyway. Oh, waiter. Wow. Oh. What's his name? Oh, wow. Hey.
What you today? Hi. See how we. Man, we young yesterday. We young yesterday. We have a problem. What? Yes, and ship with Papa and I can't see you. My fault. Get. What's it? My fault. Yes, and my Jimmy. Me, who Facebook is nothing said. What down here? I don't care. I'm not professional. I'm from Montana. Would you? Yeah, can a young and Charles and 1 2 what does it do? One plate, single plate, say it as 1 2 3. So, who was a bit person? And the next time I'll let you warm. Wow.